Aaron.
Okay, we're making blueberry cobbler and pie. So let's get started.
What are you doing first?
Juicy lemon.
Half a lemon,
and
right?
We have a little, lots of blueberries. We didn't have to buy that because blueberries are really expensive.
So we pick them ourselves, right?
Yes.
You did an awesome job picking the blueberries.
Yes. Really good job. Yeah. Yeah.
So you excited to taste your blueberry cobbler?
Oh, yes. I really want to taste like blueberry pie and cobbler. So let's get started. I have more blueberries. That's
Awesome.
tiny and big.
All right, say bye to everybody.
Bye, everybody.